Assalamu alaikum. Good morning everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. So students, have you read the page number 52 and 53 of the science books which I have given you? Yes, I hope you all have read it properly. So yesterday we have done the chapter Unit 11 electricity and page number 50 and 51. Now today we are going to do page number 52 and 53. Okay, today our topic is circuits. Okay, today we will complete the revision of this chapter electricity. Okay, so students, circuits we have already read in our class. We have already explained and understand what are circuits, but we are doing revision today, so please go properly through it. The path that electricity takes from its sources to its destination is called a circuit. A circuit is like a circle. If you run all around a circuit ground, you have completed a circuit. I have told you before that a circuit is a path from the electricity flows. Where we want electricity, it reaches there. As we use fans and lights in our class or in our homes, we switch on the button to get start and switch off the button to get off. Okay, so it is a simple circuit given in your book of science book. Here is a circuit is like a circle, as you can see in the book, and it is a complete circle. If you run in a complete, it will complete one round. You can say the circuit is complete. A circuit has 4 components, 4 things, and electric circuits needs 4 things to work. I have done a practical for you. We have made a circuit practically also. I hope you all have met it at your home, but you have not sent me any picture, students. I just keep waiting, but you have not sent me the picture. So students, an electric circuit needs 4 things to work. A source of electric energy is like a battery. We need a battery. Okay, and wires for electricity to travel along, and we can say it that wires are the components which joins the other components with each other. I think I have given this blanks also. Some have done the right and some have done the wrong. Okay, something to convert the electricity into heat or light, and we also need something which convert electricity into light. Here we are using bulb, or some in circuit you can also use a small fan and small light, another type of light, and a switch. Then the number 4th one is a switch to turn the circuit on and off. Okay, यानी हमें ये 4 चीज़ें चाहिए होती है एक सर्किट को कंप्लीट करने के लिए. Now you can see in the picture there are 2 pictures. In one picture, switch is open and switch is closed. When switch will be closed, the circuit will be completed and the bulb can glow. बल्ब हमारा रोशन हो जाएगा, और when the switch will be open, the electricity will be not plus because there will be space between this. Okay, there will be space between them. So there are 2 circuits are given here. One switch is open, one switch is closed. It's mean when we are switch on the button, it will get started to glow, and when we will switch off the button, circuit will be break and this bulb will be get off. Okay, so students, what you have to do, you have to learn the components of the circuit, and you must know to draw how to draw a simple circuit. You must know that how much components are there. With this, when we are doing the revision, you all must learn the question answers also. Okay, you must learn question answers also, that you get the preparation. सबकी तैयारी बेटा अच्छी होनी चाहिए कि स्कूल अभी ओपन हो जाएंगे तो आपके पेपर्स होंगे. So I need that everyone should be prepared for it. Okay, सबकी तैयारी अच्छी होनी चाहिए, ठीक है. So here is a question, what four things are needed to complete an electrical circuit? यानी 4 चीज़ें क्या चाहिए होंगी हमें कि हम सर्किट को कंप्लीट कर लें. और कैन यू ड्रॉ सिंपल सर्किट. सबसे पहले तो हमारा क्वेश्चन यही होगा हमारा कि ड्रॉ अ सिंपल सर्किट. आई थिंक एवरीवन कैन ड्रॉ इट इजीली because there are 4 components and there is in which there is a switch, battery and bulb and wire. If you remember all these things, you can easily map it. You can see the picture. The only one picture is enough. Not you don't have to draw both of them. Okay. So in the last I will give you the homework, and the next page moving to the page number 53, you can see it. आप देख सकते हैं कि what electricity enables us to do. Electricity provide us when there is no sunlight. यानी जब हमारे पास रोशनी, दिन की रोशनी नहीं होती, you can see it. You don't need a light when there is a sunlight during the day. We can easily see everything and everywhere. But at night we need light, because without light we will not able to see or write or do anything. Okay students, so electricity provide us light when there is no sunlight. Visual, thanks to electricity people are able to read, work and play at night. I told you that at night we need light to do everything, just as they can during the day. Electricity powers machines that make it easier for humans to do certain things. As you know that I have told you yesterday also that because of electricity the machines powers the machines that make our job easier. Look, when I am telling here, you are sitting at your home and you are watching the video, listening to my voice and you are doing your work. That is because of electricity. Without it we will not be able to do anything. Without electricity there will be no computers, nothing else that we can do easily. Like computers, it makes our work easier, and another things, because of fridge, look, fridge, washing machine, everything's powers with the help of the electricity. If there will be no electricity, the machines will not be work and will not be able to do anything. इन शॉर्ट ये हम कह सकते हैं कि अगर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी नहीं होगी तो हमारा कोई भी मशीन काम नहीं करेगी, और हम बहुत सारे काम होते हैं जो हम विदाउट मशीन के नहीं कर सकते. अगर आप लाइट देखें, अगर लाइट चली जाए तो हम कंप्यूटर नहीं यूज़ कर सकते, हम वॉशिंग मशीन यूज़ नहीं कर सकते. हाँ चले हम बैटरी से हम ये यूज़ कर लें, फ़ैन ऑन कर लें, फ़ैन ऑपरेट कर लें, ये सब कर लें, लेकिन अगर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी नहीं है तो हम बड़ी बड़ी चीज़ें ऑपरेट नहीं कर सकते, फ्रिज नहीं कर सकते, और हम अपने आप को बहुत डिसेबल फील कर रहे होते हैं. सो स्टूडेंट्स, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी आई थिंक सो इज़ अ बेसिक नीड फॉर अस टुडे. Because of electricity also powers machines that provide us with entertainment. Means LED, TV and mobiles also. Mobiles also get power from the electricity. May they store small amount of electricity in form of battery, but they get charged from the main electricity. Okay. So students, I hope you all have understood the complete chapter of electricity. We have read about electricity, mains and batteries, and stay safe with electricity, circuits, and what electricity enable us to do. Okay, these things we have done the revision. Inshallah, in another class what we will do the revision of the next chapter. Now work you have to do, you have to learn all the activities and the question answers of this chapter, and everything will be included in the activities, filling the blanks, true, false, and each and everything which will be included in your copy and in your book also. Okay, now the first thing you have to do, you have to draw a circuit. You have to draw a complete circuit very cleanly and while labeling it. Okay, this is your revision work. And what you have to do, you have to the first thing you have to do is draw a circuit. Okay, electricity. Now the first thing you have to do, this just for practice, you have to learn the question answers which we have done in your copies, and for practice you have to do what you have to do, you have to draw a circuit and label it. Draw it by yourself, just try it, don't make it from your elder ones. Okay, now have you completed this work? I have given you the homework. Write 5 things you use in home that use main electricity and battery. Okay, now 9th of Shawwal, sorry, work should be neat and clean. Okay, is this Shawwal, and today is 21st of May 2021. Okay, and the day is Friday. Okay, you underline with blue color. Now I don't have blue color, that's why I am writing with the black pencil. You write it with blue. Okay, underline with blue and write with pencil. Now our question is, now here is blue pencil. Okay, draw an electrical circuit, and label it. Okay, you have to draw the circuit in the blank page. Okay, and label it properly. If you are drawing over here, then no problem, you can draw over here also and label it. This is the question for, this is the work for today, and the another work is you have to write the question. Complete the table. Please do your work neat and clean on the line according to your writing series. Complete the table by ticking the correct boxes. Now write the date, day Friday, revision work. Please do your work on the time and properly. Okay, 9th of Shawwal, and date is 21st of May 2021. Okay, now what you will do, you will write, you will draw 3 columns. Okay, you will draw 3 columns over here. Number 1, machines. In 1 you will write machines. Runs on electricity. Runs on electricity. You have to write like this because there is so much space. Okay, does not run on electricity. This exercise you have done in your book also, but I have changed the machines, so you have to look at them properly, then do the work. Okay, make them box also. Okay, keep them in box. Does not run on machine. Okay, now the first one is, I have written for you, is fan. Number 2 is scissor. Number 3 is computer. Number 4 is knife. Number 5 is bottle opener. Okay, number 6 one is washing machine. Washing machine. Number 7 one is toaster. Okay, I have given you the 7 machines. You all have to look at them and see that which machine runs on electricity and the machine does not run on electricity. Okay, now you can see fan which we are using here at our home and at our school also. Are they work with the electricity or not? Yes, they work with electricity. So we will tick in this column that this work with electricity. Okay, another one is scissors. Scissor, when we cut any paper we use scissor. Does it need any electricity? Does it need? No, it does not need any electricity. So we will put a tick over here. Okay students, in the same way you all have to complete this exercise and you have to draw an electric circuit and label it also. I hope you all have understood the work and the chapter also. If you are facing any problem or any difficulty, you can ask me. Okay, and I am saying again and again to you, please to complete your work on the time. Then you should not face any difficulty when you come to school physically. Okay, I hope you all have understand. So take good care of yourself and your family and remember me in your prayers. Allah Hafiz.